The lower the p-value, the more confident we can be in our findings and decisions. Hi, I'm Dustin Harding. I'm an assistant professor of marketing research here at UVU. And today I'm going to talk to you about the meaning and purpose of p-values. Let's say you want to test two different marketing advertisements, for instance, and pick the top performing one as your choice. Rarely, after such a test, are you going to get an exact tie. Odds are that one ad will end up being the winner. However, how confident would you be that you would get the same winner if you ran the test again? Did the winner win from just complete chance? If we started playing a game, for instance, to see who could flip the most number of heads in the same number of coin tosses, and I won, does that mean I'm better at flipping heads? Of course not. In statistics, we have a measure called a p-value that helps us in situations like this. Simply put, a p-value tells you the odds that something like these two examples is due to random chance. It's a decimal between 0 and 1, and the closer it is to 0, the more reliable your results are. So in our head flipping contest, for instance, we'd expect a really high p-value, something like 0.9, which would mean that it was 90% likely that my win was due to chance. If you were testing two advertisements, however, you would want a much lower p-value, something like 0.04, meaning it was 4% likely that the winning ad won by chance. We can also use p-values to determine the odds that relationships of other measures, like a person's height or weight, are due to chance. The lower the p-value, the more confident we can be in our findings and decisions. And there you have it, a simple explanation of the meaning and purpose of p-values.